people? Hope everybody good, you know what I mean? No big up on yourself. Hope everybody good, you know what I mean? For a nice little afternoon, yeah. I say time kinda hot, but we have to just hold it CMA still, you see me? But in the meantime, no big up on yourself, you know. Today in the kitchen now, you know, a long time I don't get a cooking video, you see me? So today in the kitchen now, we're gonna just chef up some fish with some okra and some carrot and some Irish with some scallion, thyme, pepper, all them kind of niceness there. You don't know already, man, you see me? So yeah, so on the journey with me in the meantime, as we're gonna mash up that, and we're gonna show you how we do it. You see, peeps? So yeah, people, you don't know already. Okra there, you know what I mean? Onion, carrot, pepper, tomato, you know what I mean, potato, all them kind of things, And yes, so we have some scallion. I don't know time and anything that about the place, you see me? But yeah, man, so join the video as I'm gonna chop up them here now and forward, you see? Yeah, people, so right now, you don't know, we're gonna cut up some tomato, you know what I mean? Next one is this onion. It. Nice, perfect, you know? Don't know carrot. Yeah, so you don't know. Peel them off and thing and scrape them off. Now we're gonna do some woman and chop them up, you see me? So you don't know how to do it thing. Yeah, I make some juice with this too, you know. You see me? Alright, tell you what, one of them there peeps. I make some juice, you see me? Yeah, man. I make some carrot juice and show me. Alright, so right now I'm gonna mash up my next carrot now. You don't know. As I say, peel them off, and scrape them. Yeah, man. Tell you what, you know, I wanna make some June plum juice. If you can find them, buy them, make out some June plum juice, you know? Yeah, man. So I think set my piece out. Hope everybody good still, you know what I mean? Time kinda hot, I'm not gonna lie. On the news they when say eat. It come from Jamaica, you see me? Like I said, true them attack, man. Alright, next one is this potato. Eat. Don't know. Peel off our next potato. don't know, pepper, you know what I mean? When you eat make you tired, man. Yeah, man, that's all, man. Ah, this is hot, man. See this? Alright. So yeah, peeps, what I'm going to do to the okra them now, I cut off some of them so, and chop them up fine, like so. You know? Yeah, man. And some of them, I cut them off so, and so, and bust them so. And some of them I just do so, and just leave them like that, you see me? But yeah, man. So yeah, people, drop in the time. Whatever you know, you're putting some Maggi in it, you see me? Don't know, so we have to put in garlic, man. Alright, and then what I see, you know, I put in some fish season. You know what I mean? I put in some cock soup too, you know what I mean? Not really cock soup and fish tea. You see me? Yeah, man. I drop in some fish tea in it. And then yeah, we're gonna stir them up and see what's going on now. So yeah, you don't know what I chop up the garlic then, no? Drop them in. You see me? Chop them up kind of fine, you know? Bigger one here. And then we have a little last piece now. You know what I mean, peeps? Yeah, man, it bought some long, man. So yeah, I'm chop up this with some fish seasoning. You see me? I don't want to hold it going this way, you know. Yeah, man. So yeah, I don't know, sir. You can either stir it up with your hand or whatever, man. What I like to do, I like to just shake them up, so. Yeah, man, make everybody pop up. And see how you look now? You see it, everything in there, man. Look on that colorful, you know? So yeah, people. Right now, this is where the oil hot, I don't know. You have to drop in them, yeah? You see me? I make them go and simmer down in a meat, you see me? Yeah, man. All kind of goodness, all kind of niceness, you see me? Yeah, man. Now this is the plane can swim, but they're going right in. You understand? Look at that, man. Look at that, people. Yeah, man. So just make that go on steam down in the meantime. Alright, peeps. Let me see how you know that we can steam now. You know I can see some that steam down in the man. Going on. Smells nice, as it peeps. Jesus, man. I'm gonna drop in the sitting there now. The coconut milk and everything cooked down. Nice, isn't it, people? Yeah, man. Don't know. Can't swim, you know. You know why, peeps? Because they're going right in. You understand? See, you know? On that now, man. Look on that, peeps. Yeah, no start. Most you know can there if you smell it, you know, God no. But yeah man. Alright, so I make that one cook down now. Alright, tell you what. I will drop in some Maggi in it. Hold on there. So yeah people, you don't know. Take all the Maggi them. I drop them in now, you see me? Yeah man. Don't know when you drop that in, you just do some boom now. And mix it right. You see me? Now I'm tasting the pepper hot man, you see me? Yeah man, perfect man. You know what I mean? So alright. I'll make that go and chill in the meantime. Make everything cook out and then we're gonna just do some boom and drop in the fish, you see me? Remember you know fish, so you know it's gonna take long to cook. About 10-15 minutes, you see me? I just drop him in right on top and make him go and simmer down with everything in the pot, you see me? Big up on yourself people. So yeah people, see it now. So in this pot I said to you now, you see me? Yeah man. And cook a little bit more still, you see it? But tell you what, I drop in the fish them now and make it two of them cook together, you see me? Alright. So yeah peeps, see ending it now. Everything just steam out, you see me? Little bit of juice, you don't know, so the fish there somebody drop it in while ago. You see, you don't really want to mash out too much, but you see me? Yeah man. So I give about the next 10 minutes or so and make it go and do the thing in the meantime. You see me peeps? And then yeah. So yeah peeps, I don't know, thank you for watching. That was an episode with me. I steamed some fish with some okra, I don't know. Personally that's my favorite, you know what I mean? I love the fish with the okra man. I just never get the chance to buy some crackers, you see me? You know what I mean? That make it 10-10, you know what I mean? But yeah man, I just saw the thing said. And yeah, we just finished and it smells nice, look nice, can't wait for just taste some, you don't know. But yeah, as I said, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to the thing. You don't know, big up on yourself peeps, manners and respect to everybody. You see me?